Hey guys, are you want to buy best Micro HDMI versus Mini HDMI? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best Micro HDMI versus Mini HDMI that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Oldboytech Micro HDMI versus Mini HDMI. The Micro HDMI to HDMI cable is a high-performance solution for connecting devices to HD TVs, monitors, and projectors. Supporting 4K 60 Hz, 2K 165 Hz, 3D video, and HDR content with 18 gigabits per second bandwidth, it delivers crisp visuals and uncompressed multi-channel digital audio for an immersive viewing experience. The included audio return channel ensures seamless audio transmission without extra cables. Designed for bidirectional connectivity, it works both from Micro HDMI to HDMI and HDMI to Micro HDMI, making it versatile for a wide range of devices. Compatible with Raspberry Pi. April 5, GoPro Hero 7/6/5/4, Sony A5000/A6500/A6000/A6400, EOS M50, Lenovo Mics tablets, Yoga tablets, and more. It easily handles high-bandwidth content like HDR video without lag or signal loss. Durability is a key feature. The nylon-braided exterior and gold-plated connectors offer superior shielding, heat resistance, and a 15,000+ bend lifespan. Reliable, versatile, and high quality, this cable is ideal for home, office, or professional setups. Now our second product is Aontoky Micro HDMI versus Mini HDMI. This HDMI adapter set is a versatile and reliable solution for connecting laptops, digital cameras, smartphones, and other devices with HDMI ports to monitors, TVs, or projectors. Designed for broad compatibility, it works seamlessly with most devices, making it ideal for home, office, or on-the-go use. The adapters are lightweight, slim, and highly portable, allowing you to carry them easily in a bag or pocket without adding bulk. Despite their compact design, they provide excellent data transmission performance, delivering clear, stable video and audio signals with minimal interference or lag. Built for reliability, these adapters ensure secure connections and consistent performance during extended use. Users are advised to check their device's HDMI port type to confirm compatibility before use, ensuring smooth connectivity, whether for presentations, media streaming, or connecting multiple devices to larger displays. This HDMI adapter set offers a practical, high-quality solution for everyday digital connectivity needs. Our third product is JSAUX Micro HDMI versus Mini HDMI. The Mini HDMI to HDMI adapter delivers high-speed, high-quality performance for connecting devices with a Mini HDMI port to larger displays. Supporting 4K 60 Hz with 4:4:4 HDR and Dolby 3D Full HD, it ensures smooth, vibrant visuals. It is also backward compatible with 4K 30 Hz, 2K 120 Hz, and 1080p, making it versatile for a wide range of setups. Note, your device must have a Mini HDMI port. Widely compatible, this adapter works with DSLR cameras, camcorders, graphics video cards, Raspberry Pi 0/0W, laptops, tablets, HD TVs, Pico projectors, Noop desktops, and devices like Sony HDR XR500, Nikon D3200, and D810. Built for durability, the 32 AWG copper wire with triple tin shielding minimizes interference, while the nylon braided cable withstands 5000+ plugins. Gold-plated connectors ensure stable, corrosion-free signal transmission. Compact and portable at 8 inches, it's ideal for home, office, travel, or conferences. With a stylish, brand-designed appearance, it balances practicality and elegance, enhancing both functionality and user experience. Now number 4, ZeniKon Micro HDMI versus Mini HDMI. The 1-foot Micro HDMI to Mini HDMI cable is a high-performance solution for connecting devices like Raspberry Pi 4/5, cameras, tablets, laptops, and portable monitors. Designed for smooth and clear audio-visual transmission, it supports Ultra HD 4K 60 Hz resolution, 2K 144 Hz, and 1080p 240 Hz, with enhanced HDR, Dolby Atmos, and Dolby True HD 7.1 for vibrant colors and immersive sound. With a bandwidth of 18 gigabits per second, 24K gold-plated connectors, aluminum shielding, and 30 AWG pure copper wiring, this cable delivers stable, interference-free signals, ensuring reliable performance for gaming, video, or media streaming. The audio return channel, ARC, support further enhances your audio experience. Compact and bidirectional, it allows Micro HDMI to Mini HDMI and vice versa, making it versatile for multiple setups. Compatible with a wide range of devices, including Raspberry Pi, Sony Nikon Canon cameras, portable monitors, camcorders, and laptops, it combines durability, high-speed connectivity, and plug-and-play convenience. Each cable undergoes rigorous testing and comes with a lifetime warranty, ensuring a reliable, long-term solution for all your HDMI connectivity needs. And our last choice is ZeniKon Micro HDMI versus Mini HDMI. The 3.3-foot Micro HDMI to Mini HDMI cable is a versatile and high-performance solution for connecting devices like Raspberry Pi 4/5, cameras, tablets, laptops, and portable monitors. Designed for smooth and clear audio-visual transmission, it supports Ultra HD 4K 60 Hz, 2K 144 Hz, and 1080p 240 Hz, delivering crisp images, 3D action video, and vibrant colors. Enhanced HDR, Dolby Atmos, and Dolby True HD 7.1 provide an immersive audio and visual experience. With a high-speed 18 gigabits per second bandwidth, 24K gold-plated connectors, aluminum shielding, and 30 AWG pure copper wiring, this cable ensures stable, interference-free performance. The audio return channel, ARC, support adds convenience for direct audio connections to speakers or headphones. Compact, bidirectional, and plug-and-play, it allows connections from Micro HDMI to Mini HDMI or vice versa. Universally compatible with Raspberry Pi, Sony, Nikon, Canon cameras, camcorders, and more, each cable undergoes rigorous quality testing and comes with a lifetime warranty. This durable cable delivers reliable, high-definition connectivity for work, travel, and home entertainment. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.